Okay, what we have here is another setup in the dark. I have a transformer plugged into here. I'm running through a motor controller, and I'm going out to the motor controller via LEDs for direction, and each LED is facing a light sensor, and when I'm in a direction, that light sensor will send a pulse over to this meter. See that? 450. Nothing. Nothing. Now I'm in reverse. 800. See that? I guess maybe I don't need that with the light off. It's okay. Yeah, it works. Even with this off, it works. Okay. So it's just getting a little bit of light, and it's saying this guy is on now, and I'm reading that through either one. If a light's on, I'll get a pulse, and that pulse then could be sent through the relay from another power source. So this could be like connecting the ground circuit for that relay or something like that. So anyway, the idea is, yeah, okay, I can isolate the signals. Two signals can feed into one, and I can get a trigger. Okay, now there is a pin on this chip that I'm going to try. Oh, suck bitch is hot. I'm going to try to plug into and tap off of. Andy suggested I look back at the board, which is, yeah, he's always got some good ideas. And there is a run, pin number 3. If you can get to it, or is the light right? There we go. Pin number 3 is run. Anytime I get a run signal from the motor controller, pin 3 is going to be high. And pin 3 runs over to this diode here and this diode here. So if I could get a trigger off of either one of those diodes and light up a LED, or just send that pulse out. I'm not sure I want to send a pulse that far, though, that delicate, but capture the signal right there and do something with it. That might be a way in. Without trying to back into these guys, because these guys he thinks are more sensitive, and we might screw that up, which is highly possible. So I've been reading through the logic diagram. This is the reverse engineered document that we've been using to build this thing. So I've been looking at the direction logic, reading through that, and then looking at the schematics. This is the schematics they have, and this is the one we created for our board. But you can see right there is pin 3. Boom. Run. Logic. And if you're in neutral, there is no signal. So that would work. That would mean if the motor's not turning, there's no signal. Wow. That's what we want to know. But we don't want to interfere with a motor operation if that's at all possible. So this is what I'm exploring now. Pain in the neck. Yes. But I'm proving, certain ways we can do. Oh, I turned it off. Certain ways we can do this. Yeah, pretty fun, I thought. All right, well, back at it later. Oh, I finished the, pardon me. I finished the revised board to match the cutouts that I had for this, and I've got the stand for the speaker. This is the all-new printed part, nice and red. Screws in at the back, clearance to fit. Now I'm working on this back end part to get the relay to trigger. Then we're reassembly. All right, gang, that's it for now. Later.